How many children do you have?
23, 22 baby mother. I was batting careful, a good cricketer.
If you're batting careful, how did you manage to have 23 children?
Because I lick all of the runs, them I never out for ducks.
Yeah?
I never out for ducks.
You think you're a role model for the young guys of Jamaica?
Yeah, I'm a role model for the young guys of Jamaica because remember my first song said, I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them see the way. Show them all the beauty we possess inside. And my part come in and say, send for your protection if you're not ready for baby. I never get nobody pregnant till when me name Don Gorgon.
At what age was that? What age were you the Don Gorgon?
From me at 15.
You started at 15 and you believe as a role model having 23 children with 22 women.
When you can't mind them.
Yes? And even when you can, that is a good way for a role model to behave?
Yeah.